Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. So today we're going to get a coat of paint on the ceilings out here, kitchen, bathroom, dining area, paint some inside of the closets, and we're going to get started with that now. Alright folks, so I got the living room and the dinette area painted, bedroom. I'm going to pull this light fixture down and catch the ceiling and catch a coat up on the bathroom. Then I'm going to go around the back and grab a couple empty garbage cans if they're still available and get some of this carpeting out of here because I want to get into this big walk-in closet over here and get a coat of paint on that. And I got these two little closets here that they need a coat of paint. So let me get started with that. Alright, all my ceilings are rolled. I'm going to go around with a brush in the same color and I'm going to go and make sure that I'm nice and tight around the perimeter everywhere. So when I cut the walls in, I don't have any missed spots. It's important because of my OCD. So I'll probably do that, then I'm going to go get some garbage cans. I'm going to try to get all this out of here. And I put the new air conditioner in crudely and I think I'm focusing right. And it's not really cold, but this is better than the other one. So let me get busy with the cutting and I'll be back at you. Alright folks, so my ceilings are all done. This has one coat in here. I can still see through it because it was like a weird blue color, greenish. Some drywall patches in here. Found some mud, went around, did all my drywall patches on the walls. First coat, because some of them were pretty deep. Bathroom 2. Here and here, ceilings painted. Drywall patches. Inside this closet I pulled all the shelves and got a coat of paint on that and a coat of paint on some of the shelving, ceilings, that closet in the master bedroom, drywall patches around all the windows, and got a coat of paint on this wall that he had, like the garage floor speckle like that you throw into a garage floor. He got his hands on a bag of that and put some paint and fluck it in there. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but just cleaning up my stuff. Faucet's broken. It's Friday. Cavs are in the third game of the playoffs. Madison Square Garden. Go Cavs. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Hit subscribe, watch another video. Hit the like button. Choo choo.